Alright, today on Food Views, we're going to be reviewing two sandwiches from McDonald's. A McChicken and a regular double cheeseburger, the McExtreme. So stay tuned to see what I eat. Subscribe and like. Thanks. Alright everybody, here it is. Artesian grilled chicken sandwich from McDonald's. Let me know what is your favorite McDonald's sandwich to eat, and what other sandwiches you like. Let's open it up. There it is, bun, chicken, lettuce, and tomato. Looking really good, cheap and affordable at McDonald's. Bun's nice and toasted. Looks like I got chicken. Really good sandwich. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste test for you guys. Oh yeah, that's a really good sandwich. You can taste the chicken and the marinade sauce they got on it. Tomato and bread, really good. My suggestion is you guys go out and try it. Thanks for watching Food Views.